Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a morning routine, morning in my life type video. I am headed to the gym. I am all done with classes. I finished up all my exams 2 days ago on Wednesday, and yeah, so really my main focus right now is like YouTube and just trying to post as much as I can. But it is currently, I think it's 9. Yep, it's 9 o'clock in the morning, and I slept in today because we've been waking up early every single morning, and I was like, I just want to sleep in for once. So I slept in until like 8 o'clock and have just been getting up slowly, getting ready. And then once I get back, I'm going to shower, make a to-do list, and get all that stuff going. I really need to clean because I feel like it's so dirty in here. I need to like sweep and dust. Anyways, let's go ahead and head to the gym and get a good workout in. Headed back home now. Had a good workout. Did legs and I'm dead. But it's actually not even that cold out. It's actually like a nice day. Cannot wait to shower. Okay guys, I just finished my shower. Don't mind my hair, we were gonna fix that. But my face gets super like dried out after I take a shower, so I always put moisturizer on. And I like this one from Olay, and it has SPF in it, so that's awesome. But I just dab this around my face and blend it in. Okay, and then since today I'm not doing anything like super special at all, I'm literally just gonna put dry shampoo in my hair. I use this one from Batiste because I haven't washed my hair in a long time, but I plan on washing it tonight. I'm gonna take it out and spray some of this in my hair. I like to let it sit for like 2 to 3 minutes because I find that it works better for me that way. Okay, and then I'm just gonna brush through because it's a little tangly at the moment. And then it's gonna go up in a ponytail. And then I like to do a high pony with a ponytail, and then I add in a scrunchie because I think it looks cute. And then just pull down some side pieces, and that's my hair for today. Now I'm gonna put in some jewelry. All my jewelry is from Allyssa, so love that. I actually forgot I wanted to put on a little bit of makeup. So usually when I don't actually do like a full face of makeup, I do my eyebrows and mascara. So for eyebrows, I just use this clear gel from Essence. I've used this for so long, and I literally just like sweep it through my brows to put them in place. And then for mascara, I use the L'Oreal Telescopic First. Looks like this. This mascara is not my absolute favorite. I will say that. I definitely mix mascaras, so I don't really notice, like, if I were to use it on its own, I probably would not like it as much. But I mix it in with the Maybelline Beauty Guru. I mix it in with the Maybelline Sky High mascara, and together I think they both work really well. So I only do it on my top lashes. I don't do anything in the bottom. So this is what it looks like just with the L'Oreal Telescopic. It's good, but my eyelashes are like pretty curly as it is, so I feel like, I don't know, it doesn't really do that much at all. And then this is with the other one. Just a little bit darker and makes them look a little bit longer. That's literally all I do for makeup, so. Not gonna lie, it's actually really weird sitting here, like seeing myself sitting here on camera, because I never sit here. Honestly, for most of the semester, I sat on my bed or the couch doing homework, which is so bad. Like, don't do that, don't take after me, but it's just so comfy, and this desk is so uncomfortable. And I don't know why, because like I literally used to sit here all the time when it was at home, so I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna sit here and make a to-do list for today. I'm getting out my OG bullet journal. I'm actually like halfway through this. I started this, when did I start this? October 2020. No, August 2020. Oh my gosh. Look at this. My YouTube goals. What does it say? 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 watch hours, sponsor with Allyssa, sponsor with Nova Shine, which is like a teeth whitening brand, and then post a video every week. I love that. Where's my subscriber countdown? These are so cute. Upload schedule, video ideas. YouTube goals all the way to all the way to 2,500. That is so weird. I wasn't even at 1,000 yet. Throwback. Okay, anyways, I am gonna make a to-do list in here. I started just using this for to-do lists. Like I said, school is over with, so I don't have anything for school, but obviously I am posting for my 12 days of Christmas, and I just really want to stay on top of things. I already have 4 videos filmed. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm filming another one tonight, so that will be 5. And yeah, I'm super happy, like, with, I was actually gonna go home and work for a little bit, but that just didn't work out. And I'm kind of happy about it because, like, I can just spend my time on YouTube and growing my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and make my to-do list and tell you guys what we got going on after I finish it.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind, and she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way.
Alright, here we have today's to-do list. Tons of stuff to do for YouTube, but like I said, that's my main focus right now. So I have a lot of stuff to do for that. I need to take today's thumbnail for this video and do some other stuff for videos. And then other stuff besides YouTube, I need to clean up the apartment, wash the towels, and then tonight I obviously need to film my night routine because that's the other video that I'm doing today. So I don't even know where to start. I think I'm going to start by washing the towels because that can be done while I'm doing other things, so I can just throw those in real quick. I did a little bit of cleaning in the apartment. I swept because it was pretty gross, I'm not gonna lie. I put the towels in the washer, so I'm gonna cross both of those off the list. But now, since those two things are out of the way, I'm just gonna get on my computer now and start working on these videos. I have one video that's almost done that I just need to film a few more clips, and then I can export it and upload it. And I'm probably just gonna put like all these videos, like schedule them for the actual day, which a lot of them won't be until way later in the month. But oh my gosh, I just realized I have to start posting these in 4 days. Okay, I just started panicking. I didn't realize how close it was. How is it already December 10th? But yeah, I'm gonna get on my computer and finish this video to just get that one out of the way, and then we can move on to some other stuff. But yeah, let's do that. It is officially lunchtime. It's 12:15 and I'm gonna go ahead and make a salad real quick. This is like my go-to. So I do salad. I always put avocado in it. It's literally amazing. Ranch, cheese. I usually have tomatoes. I am all out of tomatoes. And then I crush up some tortilla chips and put them in, and it's literally so good because it's like so crunchy and just amazing. So you guys need to try it. But I'm gonna go ahead and make this salad real quick, and then I'm gonna eat it, and then we'll get back to what we're doing. Oh, I also forgot to say I did finish my video and it's exporting right now, and then I'm gonna upload it and work on the thumbnail. But I was hungry, so I had to take a break. Alright guys, I think that is going to be it for this morning routine, morning in my life video. It is like 1 o'clock now, so it's past the morning, and for the rest of the day I'm pretty much just going to be continuing to do YouTube work and trying to get as much editing and just stuff done as I can for these videos. So this is normally how it's been going throughout the past week as classes have been done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Oh, Christmas tree.